What's the meaning of concisely? Concisely. Concisely.
Concisely. Concisely. Concisely means expressing a lot of information or ideas in few words without unnecessary detail. It requires the writer or speaker to be clear and precise, using just enough words to convey the intended message effectively. This is important because concise communication ensures that the audience understands the message quickly and efficiently, saving them time and minimizing confusion. In addition, concise writing or speaking is highly valued in professional contexts such as business, academia, and journalism where brevity and clarity are key.